In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Grok AI videos using some easy methods in a step-by-step guide. Whether you're a seasoned user of Grok or just starting, these instructions will help ensure you have all your favorite videos stored safely and conveniently for offline viewing. Let's get started. First, we'll begin by heading over to your trusty web browser and navigating to Google. This first step is crucial because Google is where we'll commence our search journey to find the Grok website. So, go ahead and open up Google, and once you're there, proceed to the search bar. Next, you'll want to type the keyword Grok into the search bar. As you may know, Grok is a platform offering a range of AI services, including video content that we aim to download. Typing Grok in Google will help us easily locate their official website where all the magic happens. Now, reward yourself with a little click. Find the listing that represents the official Grok website, which should appear prominently in the search results. It's typically the first or second link. Click on it to be redirected to the Grok homepage. Make sure you double-check the URL to ensure you're on the correct site to better protect against any imposters. Once you're on the Grok homepage, the fun part begins. Look for a section labeled Imagine. This is the hub of creative and visual content within Grok. Clicking on Imagine will direct you to a space that houses various multimedia, including videos, which we aim to download. As you explore the Imagine section, you'll come across a sidebar menu. On this menu, there's an option labeled Favorites. Click on this option. This area is dedicated to content that you've previously marked as favorites for easy access. If you haven't marked any favorites yet, now might be a good time to choose some worthy videos. At this point, you'll be presented with a library of videos available under your Favorites tab. Browse through these selections and decide on the video that you wish to download. Take your time to ensure it's the exact video you want stored on your device. Once you've made your selection, the final step is straightforward. You'll see a download button associated with the video you've chosen. Click on Download. The video file should start saving onto your device immediately, depending on your internet speed and the file size. If prompted, select the desired location on your device for the download, and you're all set. You've successfully learned how to download Grok AI videos with ease. Enjoy watching wherever and whenever you like, all without the fuss of needing a constant internet connection. Thanks for tuning in, and happy viewing.